Welcome YouTube. This is Mr. Knee Dragger here. Um, this is the first video I'm doing on my Street Glide Special 2020. We're gonna do a Hog Workz Daymaker LED install. I haven't seen any videos so far on YouTube for this, so I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and record my own. So let's get into it. First thing I noticed was the packaging that the light came in. Loved it. It was like something out of a, Apple product or something. The way they did their box, they probably got it from the same place or something. But loved it. Opening it up, you notice how the packaging was. Like I said, everything was put together. Everything came packaged perfect. All right, there you go. Flipped it upside down for y'all. Let me get y'all a close up on it. Zoom in on it. You got, looks like 4 total LEDs or 4 total spots, I guess you're saying there. I don't know. But it's bright. Came with a nice little Hog Workz decal. Probably put that on my toolbox or my lunchbox or something. Also comes with some parts that you won't need. It depends on what bike you have. They had an extra trim in there that I didn't need. Already had it on my bike. I guess I think it said Road King or something. Also came with that connector. Forgot the exact name of the connector, but y'all get the idea from the video. That's about it. That bracket, I didn't need. The Street Glide already has it. Says it in the instructions. Just looking at the instructions. So we about to jump right into this thing. Get the install. I got a quick time lapse video for the install. Let's go. All right, we're all wrapped up. One thing I didn't like was this silver trim going around there. I'm gonna end up taking that off and painting that black. Other than that, smooth install. I'm also throwing on the flush mount turn signals coming soon.